We'll guide you through how to make Premiere Pro run faster. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click File on the top menu to access project options and file management features. From the drop-down menu, select Import to bring your media into the project panel. Choose the media file you want to use. Then click Open to import it into the project so it becomes available for editing. Once the file is successfully imported, drag the media clip onto the timeline to create or place it in a sequence where you can begin editing. Next, go to Edit on the top menu to access additional settings and preferences that control how the software performs. Select Preferences from the menu to open a panel with multiple configuration options. Then select Media Cache to manage temporary files that Premiere Pro uses to improve performance. Click Delete to clear unused cache files that may slow down your system over time. Click OK to confirm the deletion. This helps free up storage and can improve overall responsiveness. If needed, enable Media Cache Management and choose an option, for example, automatically delete the oldest cache files when the cache exceeds a certain limit. This setting helps keep your cache under control without requiring manual cleanup. Adjust the cache limit according to your preference so it matches your storage capacity and workflow needs. After that, go to the Memory section to manage how RAM is allocated between Premiere Pro and other applications. If needed, reduce the RAM reserved for other applications so more RAM is available for Premiere Pro, which can improve playback and editing performance. Allocating more memory to Premiere Pro helps the software run more smoothly, especially when working with large or high-resolution files. Click OK to confirm the changes and apply all the settings you have adjusted. If needed, change the playback resolution according to your needs. For example, set it to 1/4 for smoother playback. Lowering the playback resolution reduces the processing load on your system and allows you to edit more efficiently without lag.